Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rock candy without a stove. Dissolve 2 cups sugar in 1 cup hot water from a kettle, stir until clear, then cool slightly before seeding with a string or stick. Pour solution into a jar, suspend the sugar-coated stick, cover with a paper towel, and store in a cool, undisturbed place until crystals form. Be patient and check weekly. Crystal size improves over days. I'll walk through common tips to get big, clear crystals and avoid cloudy or tiny formations. Use pure white sugar and filtered water, and avoid stirring after pouring to prevent nucleation. Seed with clean string or a wooden stick wrapped in sugar, and keep jars covered to reduce dust. If crystals stall, gently warm the jar in hot tap water to encourage growth, then return to the cool spot. Patience rewards beautiful crystals. Here are the simple materials, measurements, and flavor ideas for stove-free rock candy. You need 2 cups sugar per 1 cup hot water, jars, string or sticks, clothespins, and a kettle. Add a few drops of food coloring or flavor extract after dissolving to customize colors and tastes. For larger crystals, use a saturated solution and avoid disturbing the jars. Humidity and airflow affect growth, so keep them covered. Check progress by photographing daily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.